Number 19 says, find the coefficient of x to the fourth times y to the sixth in the expansion of 5x plus 3y raised to the 10th. So just like in the previous question, I'm going to focus on the x to the fourth that they want and use the first formula. But if you wanted to, you could instead focus on the y to the sixth and then use the second formula. So I'm using the first formula. A is 5x, b is 3y, n is 10, and r is 4. Next I want to plug those values into the formula, which will look like this. And then I want to simplify, and this will be the entire term, but they only want the coefficient. So they only want the 95,681,250.